Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Makeup Divas, and today's video is a Dooney and Bourke Florentine handbag unbagging video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies this Dooney and Bourke Florentine handbag unbagging video. And ladies, this video is all about the handbag that I have in this Dooney and Bourke bag right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and share with you ladies what handbag that I picked out at the Dooney and Bourke store. But before I share with you ladies what handbag that I picked up at the Dooney and Bourke store, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week in my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, hair product review videos, and home decor videos as well. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on that bell and you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. So ladies, this video is all about the handbag that I picked up at the Dooney and Bourke store. My mom and I went to Dooney and Bourke store, and when I saw this handbag, I had to get it. So let me go ahead and share with you ladies what handbag that I picked up at the Dooney and Bourke store. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you ladies what handbag I picked up. Now I already took off the plastic, the protective plastic on the bag, and I already started using her already. So I will be doing a review pretty soon on this handbag. And here it is right here. I wanted to share with you ladies what handbag that I picked up from the Dooney and Bourke store. And here she is right here. This is the Dooney and Bourke Florentine satchel in the size medium in the color natural. Now, as you can see ladies, I already started using her already. I will be doing a thorough handbag review on this handbag, and I'm also going to be doing a lookbook styling video for me to share with you ladies how I would style her. I have been wearing her for a few weeks right now. She is starting to patina really nicely, and she is just an amazing bag. Now this handbag is one of Dooney and Bourke's handbags that they have in the Florentine leather line, and they have plenty of colors. They also have black when I went to the store. They also had navy, they have red, and they had the natural. I ended up picking up the natural because of the colors in my wardrobe. I figured that, you know, the natural color would definitely go with plenty of my outfits that are in my wardrobe. And also it's a handbag that can be worn all year around, and that's the reason why I picked her up. So like I said, I will be doing a thorough review on her, and I'll be sharing with you ladies everything that you need to know about this handbag. I'm gonna go ahead and open her up a little bit. I'm not gonna really unstuff her, but I will share with you ladies how the inside looks like. Okay, so here it is right here. There's some green suede right here, green leather suede. And then also there's green suede in the tassels as well. And there's tassels on both sides. And there's also whipped stitching in the Tomorrow brown, as you can see. So this handbag has plenty of details. You can wear her crossbody or over the shoulder. I did double the straps so I can wear her on my shoulder, And I'm not really sure if I'm gonna wear her crossbody, but if I am gonna be wearing her crossbody, all I have to do is undo the straps and then put her as a crossbody handbag. This is a really big handbag, ladies. It's really huge. So here it is right here. It's a really big handbag, and as you can see, she is starting to patina really amazingly, okay? Like really amazing. She is starting to patina amazing. Okay, so here she is right here. Alright, so that is it, ladies. This is the handbag that I picked up from the Dooney and Bourke store. I am going to go ahead and, like I said, do a thorough review, and I am going to be doing a lookbook, a styling lookbook for me to go ahead and style her for you and share with you, ladies, what outfits that I would wear with her. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I will be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion and style videos, more hair product review videos, and home decor videos. And thank you so much, ladies, for watching this Dooney and Bourke Florentine handbag unbagging video. And like I said, I will be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion and style videos, more hair product review videos, and more home decor videos as well. Bye-bye, and God bless.